What's up guys, for today's video we're going to put to the test 5 more kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first one I got here cheese or butter slicer. So it's pretty much industrial. Let's say we need to slice a lot of cheese at once. Let's see how well it's going to do. We're going to try this with the cheddar cheese first. Put it in. Look at that. And because it has this big handle for 2 hands, just slow and steady. You got here wires. Don't want to go too fast because it might break them. And boom, all the way in. Yep, look at that. I cut it all the way through. Then I can lift it up. Wow, check this out. Beautiful. Put it on a cheese board, whatever, and look at it, slices of cheeses. Perfect. Obviously we can use it for the butter as well. Let's say we need to slice up a block of butter like that. Anyways, we're gonna cut this in half. Ooh, I like this handle, much easier to cut it for sure. Now let's say we need to cut it in another half. And now let's say you wanna slice up a butter, no problem. I don't know why there's holes in the middle of it. Boom. I don't know why the other piece right there lift up, but there you go. As you can see, your butter sliced up. Another piece, no problem. I think it's best to go slow so it doesn't go sideways. Boom. Another piece, and look at that, you have perfect pieces. Just use gloves and stuff. You got chopped up butter, and it's not very thick, so it will fit in most of the drawers. For the next gadget I got here knife slicer with a guide. Let's see how it works. Check this out, and there is in the centimeters and millimeters. Just untwist it and then it spins. 5 millimeters, half a centimeter. Okay. Alexa, stop. Okay, cutting bread with a half a centimeter, not a good idea. 15 millimeters is perfect. 1.5 centimeter. And look at that. You don't have to worry about this thing being in the waste. You just cut it like this and go all the way through and then finish it like that. This is kind of cool. And it's a serrated knife, so you just keep going. And each piece of slice will be exactly the same, 1.5 centimeter. Who needs to buy sliced bread whenever you can just buy one of these knives? This knife is cool for those people who loves fresh baked bread. But you know what? A lot of pretty cool stores already have pretty awesome machine that slice up your bread all at once. But sometimes they're broken, and in case they're broken and nobody can slice up your bread, you can get a knife like that. Go back to the Stone Age and use a knife to slice up a bread, I guess, you know. So this is 2.5 millimeters. Let's try to slice up the cucumber for sandwiches. You know, you gotta slice them up really thin. So let's see if it will work. Wow, this is awesome. You just keep pushing it like that. You see what I'm doing? Let's do the close up so you guys can see better. And guess what? Every piece of cucumber chopped up so well. You might have to slide away the cucumber as well because it sticks to it. But let me show you guys. So you push it like that and then slide it. Push it like that and then slide it. You see how the knife always sitting on a cutting board? So touch it, then go like that. And then keep going. I have to go a little bit away, so that way I don't touch it. Wow, how cool is that? I just come up with something even cooler. Just keep pushing it away and it's stacking it up. This is so cool. Let me try to go as fast as possible. Yeah. Definitely messing it up. Got practice with this knife. It's like two knives over there. But yeah, I love it. This is definitely super unique and weird. Once you practice well, you could probably super good and perfect at it. Because you gotta adjust. It's getting bigger and bigger. Look at these slices. And obviously you could probably make it smaller. It works so amazingly. I love this knife. For the next gadget, this is ultimate bottle opener and also a jar opener. I'll show you how it works in a second. This is I got in a fan mail. Thank you so much. So, almost feels like it's made out of some kind of high quality PVC, but at the same time, trying to pop open bottles. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it because it's already kind of broke on me. So as a bottle opener, they need a metal piece over here because it got ruined over here. Maybe it's not for the bottle opener. Oh well, that's why we put it to the test. Not so good for that. What about twist off? Works really well. What about bigger? Even bigger. Very nice. This thing is very good. Aluminum. I wish the whole body was also aluminum, so that way the actual bottle opener worked really good too. But this is pretty awesome right here too. You see, this is can poker or something like that. I think this is what it is for. Look at that. One hole, two hole. And sometimes I'll put two holes in here. So whenever you want to pour the juice, the oxygen pouring in inside of the can faster than the liquid coming out. Boom. I like that a lot. I was gonna call it the ultimate best bottle opener, but a little bit disappointed that it's not so much for the bottles. Maybe it wasn't never meant to be to open this kind of soda bottles, but mostly for twisting and poking the holes. But they could definitely improve it a little bit. For the next gadget, I got here pizza scissors, very unique. Let's open it up, see if it actually works. Don't judge me too hard. I burned my pizza while I was cooking. I was making a video, so I forgot to take it out. But yeah, pretty stiff scissors. Grab a pizza, cut it in half, and as you can see, it also supposed to have serving piece. So another slice. I like it so far. The scissors do cut this kind of pizza pretty good. Thin slice pizza, that's what I mean. Okay, and now let's try it out. Push it in. Oh wow, it works. What about this way? Maybe this way would be good. Kind of awkward. Oops. And I guess it's easier to just grab it like this. It's kind of nice. It works. Super weird. I don't know if I would actually use it. At the end of the day, I think the pizza cutter will be a bit easier. And again, pizza is a hand food anyways. Why would I need a serving piece? I can just grab it like that with the bigger pieces or smaller pieces. For the next gadget, I got here built-in vacuum sealed container. So check this out. You could put in anything there: candy, crackers, cookies, whatever. Then you have this lid. You don't need another pump or anything to store. It's already here. The reason why it's for cookies and such things like that, because it's butter included. You do not want to put it in the refrigerator. Whoa, I pressed it by mistake. It was on. And also right here you can set the date, looks like, by turning this right here. Pretty cool. Don't really care about the date if it's for cookies and candies. So press it right here. It will vacuum seal it. Okay, it's getting sealed enough to where I could not pull it out, this thing. But now what we'll need to do is release some of that air. There you go, just press it, and now it's easy to release it. So, pretty cool gadget right here. Seal it up. I wonder if it turns off automatically. It says automatic reseal vacuum, and it's BPA free. Pretty awesome. So it probably does shuts off automatically. For the next gadget, this is also storage container for transporting and also seal it into your own refrigerator. Let's open it up. This one came from Japan. Boom. And you can put anything, soup, liquid, anything like that. What's so different about this container? You have your lid, open it, and you see, you can adjust it and you can pull it out as well. So let's say I have here soup, we're gonna put just liquid water inside of it, push it in and push it all the way down to where it's going to hit the liquid, and you see the bubble going away. Boom. It would do a little bubble in there. Then I'm gonna close it. And the idea of it, whenever you carry it, you see it's not slurping around anywhere because you seal it all the way except that little bubble, no air in it, so it will preserve longer. So you don't even need batteries to vacuum seal your food, liquid food. Awesome. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite, and I'll see you next time.